Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at N-FAB's Growler running boards on this Ram 1500. If you're looking for running boards that have that off-road style but can keep up with the lifestyle, then these running boards are a great choice. These running boards are heavy duty and have an aggressive tread pattern, which makes for a reliable step every time in any weather condition. It's 7 inches wide, which makes for a bigger footing surface, especially when compared to most hook steps or smaller running boards on the market. The Growler running boards are made of a high-quality aluminum and are topped with a black, textured, powder-coated finish to combat chips, scratches, and normal wear and tear. The installation of these running boards is pretty straightforward, so we rate this a 2 out of 10, and it'll take you about an hour to complete it. One thing to note with this specific application on the Ram 1500 is that you're going to want to make sure you clean the paint off of the factory studs to make it easier to install. Another thing to note about these running boards is they do not fit the Ram 1500 Classic models 2019 or newer, but they are ideal for 2019 through 2020 Ram 1500 Crew Cab models just like this one. The Growler running boards from N-FAB have a 5-year limited lifetime warranty. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Growler running boards from N-FAB. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.